What's up, everybody? Today I came to the park. I'm gonna show you guys what a park looks like in Florida. Seems like they don't want any dogs at this park. I'm not gonna talk that much, but I'm just gonna walk around. I've been living here almost all my life, and I never go to the parks, and I never been to this one before. It's pretty nice. So let's get to it. Hope you enjoy this video. I was told there might be alligators here too. It looks like a swamp, you know. Yep, this is a place that it looks like there will be some alligators here. So, oh man, guys, I can't stand the heat. I can't stand the heat. It's so hot. That's another reason why I'm trying to leave Florida. I can take this no more, you know. It's hot and humid. We only got nice weather for a month. Well, now it's hot and humid again, and I think it's time for me to leave. See if there's any alligators here. Oop, heard something. I heard something splash in the water right there. Like I said, this is my first time ever being at this park. And I didn't know you had this trail. It's pretty nice, you know, pretty cool. Let's make it right here. I hope I get to see an alligator. Not on the trail, but you know, in the water. So this is how some parks look here in Florida. We're showing you guys around, you know. Maybe one of you guys planning on moving to Florida or just visit Florida. People always move around. A little spider right there. Yeah, like I was saying, people always move around, you know. And a lot of people be moving to Florida from out of state. Over here, the people from New York took over Florida. And it's time for me to move out of here. See how nice it is. Florida is so beautiful. It's a beautiful state, but you have to be stable uh, with a lot of money to live here in Florida. Wealthy, rich. They don't want the middle class here, or I don't think anywhere else. They're trying to get rid of the middle class. The working class, you know. All right, so no more. There's another trail, but let's see, we don't encounter an alligator here. It would be funny if I encounter Bigfoot over here or something. Let's see where this takes us. There's a lot of wind. Probably my next stop is gonna be Iowa, Nebraska. I was thinking about those places. Or just move back to Alabama. But I don't know yet. I haven't decided yet, and I just hope it's somewhere that I can live in peace, you know, because I love the country, you know. I'm already tired of living in the big cities where there's a lot of people, and I like to be nice and quiet at night, where there's no noise, you know. Oh, look where I'm at now, where the rich people live. That sounds like a big dog. Huge dog, guard dog. And it's a good thing that they don't, oh yeah, it's a pit bull. They don't allow dogs at this part, because or else you'll be having a lot of dumb folks, having their dogs without a leash. And there's a lot of people walking here. So from here, I think it's gonna take me to the front of the park, and then so I just rather turn around here and keep walking on the other trail. I'm surprised there's nobody here today. Oh, so just imagine having a chair right here and then just chilling in the water, but the water looks dirty. And then I think those people will snitch on you and complain and stuff. I don't know. I might stay here in Florida too. I don't know. But like I said, I need to find a good paying job and find me at least an efficiency to rent or a room at least, which I don't like sharing rooms with people, because you have all types of people, that you have to deal with, strangers, you don't know the vices they have, and they could be serial killers and all that stuff. And I'm just speaking facts, and that works the other way. If I had a house and I rent out rooms, I need to be careful, who I rent the rooms to. It goes both ways, but in my own experiences that I have had, man, I have rented out rooms from like weirdos and wackos, creeps, and all that stuff, how you call it, witches. I can't remember how you say the guy witch, a man witch. I don't know how it's called. Brujos, like warlocks, I think it's called. I don't know. But I have rented out rooms from different people. And I have my good experiences and bad experiences. More bad than good, but that's what it comes to renting out rooms from strangers, So the only way I could stay here in Florida is that I get a good paying job and rent out on an efficiency for me to live in. That's the only reason that I would stay here in Florida, but I don't have no car note. I wouldn't get myself into no car note. I would drive my car until it breaks forever, and it doesn't run no more. But for right now, my car's still running. There is some more things that I had to get fixed, but that's about it. I have to get another CV axle for the other side. I did the driver's side last time, and now I have to do the passenger side, and I'll be good to go. Either or, I have to fix it. It's very important to fix your CV axles and all that stuff. The motor, the engine's still good. And I have to take a long trip again, Let's say if I go to Iowa or Nebraska, it's a little bit like more passing Alabama. Alabama is like 2 days. I took 2 days to drive over here, so because I took my time, I wasn't in a rush. So I'm probably gonna take like 4 or 5 days to take me to get to Nebraska. So I know that my car is gonna make it, if I get the CV axles fixed and all that stuff. I know it's gonna make it with no problem, but I'm still gonna take my time to get there. I plan of recording, stopping by some places in Florida and record, and then just take my time to get up there with no rush. Just like if I move back to Alabama, like I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna stop in some places here in Florida first, record something, and then just keep it pushing. Keep it pushing, and show you guys a little bit more. But cool. Too bad the sun is right there, or else I will see it and chill a little bit. And, oh man, it's so hot today. I wish I could buy me a scratch-off ticket and hit big, so I could travel all over the country and record videos and stuff like that. Guys, I know that I said I wasn't gonna talk that much, but I don't know. I just feel like talking, and I think you'll be bored if I just record without saying anything. So like I was saying, guys, I have seen these people from Alabama, from Georgia, that come to the Panhandle because they don't have no lottery in Alabama. I don't know why. It's probably because it's a religious state. They don't believe in God or nothing, but they're still religious. But anyways, they don't have no lottery, no scratch off, no nothing in Alabama. So they come over here to Florida, to the Panhandle. I seen a few of them that buy 1-2 tickets, $20 tickets, and they get millions of dollars on one of those scratch offs. The most I have won in a $20 scratch off is $500 one time, and then 6 months later another $500. And my personal favorite, the ones that I got the money, it was that one Gold Rush, the Gold Rush ticket, scratch off ticket. So what I seen a few of them, just going to the Panhandle and buy like those tickets that I'm telling you about, and then they win millions. I wasn't trying to record the little kids, it was a family with little kids, and I mean they still in public, but for respect I don't record kids. I don't want people to be starting some stuff. Anyways, like I said, so I be seeing those people, like coming to the Panhandle, and then then the residents of Florida, they don't win nothing the majority of times. It's no hate, but I'm just saying. I have seen like people from other states buying Florida scratch off tickets or the lottery, and they hit millions. I wish I had that kind of luck. So if I ever won that type of money, oh man, I will be traveling all over the country. Oops. I almost hit that spider web. But anyways, people, this is a nice place to come do your exercise too, you know. I can't believe I never been to this place. It's pretty cool. So probably like in a week or two, I'm going to be recording a paranormal video in the city of Homestead, Florida. I used to live in Homestead for like 14 years. A lot of crazy stuff went down there, and I'm gonna go record a video. They say that this it's funny because it's right there where I used to live. I lived there for a whole year in that area, and they say that this woman spirit shows up like at 1 a.m. and people have seen her, and her presence is too much, you know, too evil and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go check it out, you know. That's gonna be in a week or two, hopefully. And I'm gonna be recording that experience. I don't know if I should just pass by there with a car, just drive around, or just get out the car and start recording, like, you know, walking around and trying to see if I catch something. But it's not that I'm scared or anything, but sometimes you don't know what type of weirdos you could encounter. Because to be honest with you, the ones that you really need to be scared of are, you know, humans, other humans, not spirits. Because the most spirits could do to you is just scare you, you know. But other humans can carry guns and other weapons, you know. Another spider. So like I was saying, guys, like I'm gonna go and try to record that, you know. Try to record that and let's see what happens. It's been years that I don't go, maybe decades, you know, that I haven't gone to Homestead. So one of those haunted Florida pages on Facebook, someone was saying that there was this spirit, and I know the area because I used to live there. Oh man, finally some shade. Look, guys. Oh, finally some shade. This is a pretty nice spot to kick it, unless there is like bugs or something here. So like I said, I've never been here before, and got some people kayaking. Is that how you say it? I don't even know how to say it. Kayaking. I think you could do that right here. So like I was saying, it's been like maybe the last time I've been to Homestead. Oh man, probably 5 years now, I think, since I was in Homestead, Florida City, on another area, you know. When I came back to Florida, I came back to Broward County. This is Palm Beach County where I'm at right now, and I believe these areas are much better than Miami-Dade County and all that down there, down south, you know, south of Miami and stuff like that. And someone was saying that there is the spirit of a woman, you know, coming out on late at night, and her presence is evil and all that stuff. And I used to live in those townhouses where this happens, you know. So my plan is just drive around trying to catch something, or just park the car and then walk around, you know, at least up and down the block. But like I said, it's dangerous. You don't know what type of weirdo you're gonna encounter, or any other things like that. But in the same area, in the same street, that this spirit appears, there was always people. There was always accidents, car accidents, people dying. Because people now don't care. So there was a lot of accidents almost daily, or there was like shootouts, drive-bys, and all that stuff. So I believe that's why there's a lot of evil presence right there. Evil spirits and all that stuff. And I just want to go check it out. Check out the area. Like I said, I'm gonna drive around for a little bit, and I will take someone else with me, but I don't know nobody no more. There was only one dude that I used to chill with, but I no longer chill with that guy, because sometimes people disguise themselves as your friends, but they're not really your friends. And last time I saw him was last year, and he was doing all type of drugs. He was smoking crystal and all that stuff. It's not that I'm snitching on him or anything, but that's the honest truth. I saw him doing that. He wanted me to do that with him, and I just freaking left. I told him, you know what, dude, this is not right, and I ended up the friendship right there. So I don't have nobody else to take to do that investigation. So sometimes you gotta do things on your own, by yourself. So I don't know. I'll probably, how you call it? I'll probably get down the car and then just walk around the block and see if I catch anything. And of course, I'm gonna say a prayer first, for protection. And if something happens, then it happens. What a beautiful day, but it's hot. I just don't like the heat. It's pretty cool. There's nobody here, so this could be a chill spot right here, all for me, or for myself. So I think I already got to the end of the part of this trail, because I see parking over there, and I'm almost done. Before I leave Florida, I'm gonna come here more often and just relax. You see places like this one, I like, because it's like nature and by the water and things like that. I'm not gonna lie, I am gonna miss this place, but like I said, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, because you don't have control over some circumstances. Like I said, rich people from out of state move here, and then that's why everything like changed. The governor doesn't want poor people here no more, and I mean, they could have it, they can keep it, because anyways, they say that Florida's gonna be underwater maybe in 5-10 years, so they can keep it. It's good for them. They can enjoy it while it lasts. So yep, all these rich, wealthy people can keep Florida, and excuse me, I would just go with my journey, somewhere else. Maybe God doesn't want me here anymore. Like I said, I have left Florida a few times, and I'm the one that comes back. But what if God is the one that is keeping me from being here, because something's gonna happen. See, this is another spot with shade, so I could come over here and just relax. Look how beautiful that is. Yep, I guess I lied, guys. I said that I wasn't gonna talk that much, but I think I did. Just enjoying another day in Florida. And I think this is the end of the trail. I don't know, something going on with the video. The camera said that the video was gonna stop, and then I have a lot of scammers calling me, and that messes up my video. The camera looks real slow right now. So if it stops recording, then that will be it, my people. So you understand or no? Comprende or no comprende? Oh, I think there's more over there. Oh, wow. So, yep, there's more over there. But like I said, the video's messing up right now. I'm gonna keep recording till it lets me record. Like I said, I have all these scammers calling me. I block them. They find another way to keep on calling me, and they call me from different numbers, and it gets me so frustrated, because I'm trying to do something, and then they just call me and blow my phone. So it was nice talking to y'all, my people. So it's a beautiful day out here in Florida, city of Boca Raton. Which is translated to rat's mouth or mouse rat, mouth. I mean mouse mouth. Boca Raton, my people. And I guess it's because it's during the weekdays. There's nobody here, just a few people, like a handful. And look how beautiful this is. I'm gonna have to find a chair and put it right there and enjoy the day looking at boats passing by. Look at this place, people. Oh man, like I said, I've never been here before, and it's nice. It's nice, my people. Right now there's a nice wind with a nice breeze, and that's the weather that I like. Hot, but at least with a nice breeze. And honestly, out of all the states that I have lived, California has the best weather so far. And then the weather is so nice over there in California. Because it could be 90 degrees, 100 degrees, but the breeze helps you stay, cool. Not like over here that it could be 100 degrees, but it's just humid, you know. And the breeze that I'm getting right now is just nice. Feels so nice, you know. And right now that it's getting hotter, like I don't have a fan for my car. The AC broke again. I don't know if it has a leak or something like that, and it stopped blowing cold air again. And it only lasts me like for a whole month blowing cold air. And last summer it was real bad for me. I couldn't handle it no more. With the heat, I couldn't sleep. So that's the thing that I'm telling you guys about. You know, the only reason I will stay here in Florida is if I find a place to live and a good paying job. That's the only thing. I will stay here, you know, because Florida to me is home. I wasn't born here, but I've been here since 10 years old. And like I said, I have left Florida maybe 3 times already, and I always come back, you know. I always come back, and this time I came to find out that Florida is super expensive to live, you know. When I left in 2020, I had a room for I was renting out a room for like 450. And now it's triple, you know, has triple the price. And the cheapest place that I have seen is like $900, but it's not even furnished, or no parking, or no washer dryer, no TV, no nothing. So look how beautiful this is, my people. So nice and windy right now. Too much wind. Oh, it's so nice right here, my people. I didn't even know they had a pier over here. This is the type of weather that I like, and I don't know if you guys could hear me, but it's like I said, it's sunny and with a breeze, you know. It's hot, but with a breeze. So I think there's more. You see where all that vegetation leaves. I think that's where all the way the park goes, like more and more. You know, I thought it was gonna be the end of it, but it's not. So I'm probably gonna be here all day. I don't know if before I leave Florida, should I go record some videos at the Florida Keys, Key Largo, you know, Isla Morada, Key West. Show you guys the 7 Mile Bridge. you know. But I don't know. I gotta fix the car first, you know, get what it needs, and then I can travel. And I can travel and show you guys around. Show you guys Miami, you know, places like that. And just enjoying my day, you know. Hello. Oh, yup. I already feel my nuts, man. Just wanted it to sound a little bit funny, you know, but there's a few places where I could sit, a few benches and just relax, read a book or something. I already been recording for what, 42 minutes. I wonder if any alligators come through here and say what's up sometimes, you know. But I just seen people kayaking over here. So let's go see if the park is bigger than what I thought. Oh man. The grass is wet. So this is what a park in Florida looks like, my people, you know. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. I don't know where the people came from, but look, this is another bench right here where you could just sit down, but you gotta be careful, no, make sure there ain't no spiders, no black widows or something like that, you know. It's pretty cool, pretty nice to come up eat lunch over here. Here's the parking. And I think that's it, my people. I already showed you guys what this park looked like, and it's pretty cool. I only passed by here driving, and I only seen the front of the park, but I didn't know they had trails and all that stuff back here, you know. So that's why it's good to be using the Google Maps, because the maps show you and how things are, you know. And that's what I did. I went to check out some parks, and I seen that this park had something in the back which leads to the ocean, to the beach, and all that stuff, my people. There's nothing more over there. So I think that's it for me. I gotta go. Gotta walk all the way back, and see you on the next one, my people. Take care.